I'm Sean, co-founder of Spruce Up Soap Co., and we launched in the summer of 2017. You know, when it came to building our new face and body wash, I really set out to make a dual action product that achieved our core values. And that's really delivering a product made of simple and clean ingredients and delivering an incredible customer experience. The core ingredients in our all-natural face and body wash is coconut oil, olive oil, and sunflower oil. The coconut oil is an incredible natural cleanser, while the sunflower and olive oils deliver that skin softening touch that you won't find in commercial body washes. I really wanted to go back to the drawing board when it came to creating the new scents for our face and body wash. I wanted to use the essential oils not only to take advantage of the benefits that we all know the essential oils offer, but also to deliver an experience that would take your mind to that uplifting and refreshing place. And that's really why I came up with Rejuvenate Mind, Body, and Soul. When I'm down here creating, I'm just in my happy place, right? Like that feeling you get from creating something from scratch that people are going to use every day in their everyday lives is really just an incredible feeling. Once again, I'm Sean, and this is our new all-natural face and body wash.